and gentlemen, my name is Kerissa Roberts and I am here to present an analysis on the Boston's Central Artery project, also known as the Big Dig. My fellow group members are Alana Tasher, Leandre-Marie Seedansingh, Orinela Ramcharan, and Riche Dean. Project Overview. The Central Artery project was the largest, complex, and most technically challenging highway development in American history. It was commissioned to improve traffic flow, alleviate traffic congestion, and replace the existing Central Artery road. The project was commissioned in 1982 at an estimated cost of US $2.56 billion. Construction began in 1991 and was finally completed in 2007 with an estimated final cost of over US $24 billion. This presentation will highlight project issues in the areas of monitoring and controlling, project analytics, relationship management, and project closing. To conclude, recommendations will be provided to avoid cost overruns, scope creep, and inadequate resource allocation. Integration of knowledge, monitoring and controlling. The most difficult problems involve the methods used to address issues raised in the design and construction drawings development phase and the inadequacy of the subsurface conditions report. Project analytics. Analytics is a systematic, quantitative analysis of data to acquire insightful information for better decision-making. Throughout the project manager lacked key data to enable the prediction of the impact of various completion dates on the bottom line. Relationship management. For effective project integration, high-quality relationships must be maintained from initiation to closing. However, communication between stakeholders and the elements of procurement were never synchronized. Project closing domain. Even though there was formal acceptance of the finished project, there was never any document stating the closure and acceptance of the project. Final performance reporting was not made available until July 2012. The lessons learned were not collected and digitized due to the absence of collaboration between key stakeholders. Analysis. As a result of the information analyzed in the previous slide, we have drawn the following conclusions. The multiple decisions made were marred by inexperience. This resulted in severe cost escalations. The project costs and schedule updates were not representative of the project's position. Separating design and construction into two distinct operations hindered the project from progressing smoothly, with all stakeholders having the same understanding throughout the project. The many complex processes involved in this mega project were extremely challenging to monitor and enforce. Negotiating contracts separately restricted stakeholder collaborations. Recommendations. 1. Implement a design-build model which hires designer and contractor together. This creates a strong working relationship through shared goals. 2. Utilize performance reports such as status reports, variance reports, and earned value analysis. 3. Create a digitized process using project management dashboard to monitor the project's vital signs, identify issues promptly, and trigger corrective actions in a timely manner. 4. Implement project management processes that are easier to understand and use throughout the project. This will definitely remove the ambiguity and complexity which plagued this project. 5. Establish a project change control system. This is necessary for the modification of contracts. And finally, the project should be benchmarked against others of similar nature. The benchmarking process should also include the lessons learned. I have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.